Morning kids, welcome to nursery class. Hope you all are happy and safe. Today we revise big and small, opposite of big and small. See, here one elephant and one cat. Elephant is big and cat is small. Elephant is big and cat is small. Now here see small ball and big ball. Tina has small ball and Rohan has big ball. Tina has small ball and Rohan has big ball. Here see gorilla and monkey. Gorilla is big and monkey is small. Gorilla is big and monkey is small. What's that? Yes, it is a big bear and it is a small bear. It is a big bear and it is a small bear. See, here one watermelon and one apple. Watermelon is big and apple is small. Watermelon is big and apple is small. See, here lion and mouse. Lion is a king of the jungle. Lion is big and mouse is small. Lion is big and mouse is small. See, here teddy bear, your favorite toy. Yes, this teddy bear is big and one teddy bear is small. Small and big, big and small. Today we are going to do one activity in numbers book. Which book? Numbers book. Open page number 4 and 5. Open page number 4 and number 5. We do one activity about big and small. Big and small. See, here is one elephant. What? One elephant. See, elephant is big or small? Small? No, elephant is big. Elephant is big. And see here, which animal is this? Rat. Rat is big. No, rat is a small. What? Small. An elephant is big. Rat is small. Big and small. Big and small. Big and small. Now in this page do one activity. Color the circle near the big animal. Color the circle near the big animal. I take one color. Okay, I take red color. Which color? Red color. Near the big animal. Which one is big? This cow or monkey? Which one is big? Yes, this cow is big. This cow is big. And monkey small. Monkey small. And cow is big. Now color the big. Which one? Big. Color the big. You have to color near the big animal. Yes, this is a big animal. Cow is a big. Yes, cow is a big than monkey. Yes, color the big. Yes, you have to do color properly. Now, next is color the circle near the small animal. color the circle near the small animal. Yes, which one is small? Tortoise या lion? Lion small animal? No. This tortoise is small animal. Which animal? Small animal. I take blue color. Which color? Blue color. Oh, it's a purple. It's not blue. Yes. I color the circle. Which one is small animal? Which? Small animal. Do color properly. Yes. This is a small tortoise and big lion. Small, big. Big, small. Yes. This elephant is big and rat is small. This cow is big and monkey is small. Tortoise is small and lion is big animal. Yeah, this is a big and small. Which what? Big and small. Thank you.